It's our second day here in Boracay. Marami-rami pa kaming kailangan explore sa lugar na to. So if I'm a sunset person, si Ate Olsie naman is a sunrise person. Kaya naman we are taking the opportunity to maximize our stay here. So we tried to greet Mr. Haring Araw pero he was shy on our first day. Kaya naman, our next stop was going to McDonald's to have a breaky fast. Pag ikaw isang budget traveler, McDonald's gonna save your pocket big time. Kasi naman, ang mamahal ng menu nila dito. So it was around 8 in the morning as you can see. Walang masyadong katao-tao sa D-Mall. Baka tulog pa yung mga katropang katurista galore. Kaya naman, being an early bird, usually merong perks. And one of that is, you can see the bear place, syempre. Sa exit ng D-Mall going to the beach, marami kang makikita na naka-waiting dyan, especially pag lunch. They will let you see some pamphlet ganda para mamili ka ng mga activities na gusto mong subukan any time of the day and any day you want. So as for our itinerary for this day, we are planning to have a walkathon from Station 2, then Station 1, going to Dinuit Beach and then pabalik. So while walking along the way, appreciate ko talaga yung dagat pati yung weather kasi ang ganda. Nakaka-give ng positive vibes sa aking pagod na soul, Charlang. So as you can see, medyo busy ang Boracay at this moment since meron silang gagawin na palaro. And they are also busy in building some castle. I guess this is a challenge of course. And as for me, busy din ako. Busy din sa kakatingin at kakalakad. So sa paglalakad namin ni Ate Olsie, di ko na namalayan na going pala kami sa Dinuit Beach. At sabi ko naman kay Ate Olsie na kailangan nating dumaan dito kasi ang daming mga vloggers na dumaan dito. Kaya naman padaan mga Miss and Mr. Char. So medyo kapo yung paglalakad kaya minsan kailangan nang mag-take ng break, especially medyo younger na eh. So we let ourselves to be absorbed by the weather and the sea while sitting in the seashore. So syempre buko tayo dyan. So see ya on the next clip guys. Ciao!